Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you know when my new video is up. Hello everybody and welcome to our new tutorial. Today we are going to transform this beautiful toy into a beautiful unicorn. She's going to be the really big sister of the big sister unicorn that we did on our last tutorial. So we have a lot of work to do. Let's get started!
You missed out on all your life.
Let's clean this up and start working on the tutorial. Okay, I'm ready. Now the first thing we are gonna do is to cut the hair. So cute and funny. Now the first thing we are gonna do is, with a little bit of acetone, we are going to remove the eyes. Like so. We want to remove the lipstick as well. First, we are going to add the base with white acrylic paint. Let's make the base mint. Now let's paint the middle black. I made the eyelashes black, and also I added a couple of lines to the side of the eyes as well. Now we just add 2 dots of white acrylic paint, pink eyebrows, pink lipstick. We paint the bottom of the shirt mint. We paint the bottom of the skirt pink. We are gonna take a piece of clay and we are gonna roll the clay until it is really thin. When you have something like this, now with another piece of clay, we are gonna make the bangs. For the ponytails, we need 2 equal pieces of clay. And then we try to make an S shape. And then we add the second ponytail as well. First, we are gonna paint everything white. We paint one side mint, the other side pink, and we paint the middle purple. We paint one ponytail pink, and one ponytail mint. Now that the doll is completely dry, we are gonna add more clay in order to make the headband. We place the clay in the center of the hair. When you have something like this, it's time to add the ears. We are gonna add one to one side. And one to the other side. Then we add a horn in the middle. And now we are gonna add 3 clay roses. Like so. Woo! Looking fabulous. Now we are gonna let it dry and we are going to come back to paint everything and we are gonna be ready to go.